Good afternoon, everyone. This is Eric again, Northwest Bus Sales. Appreciate your time giving us a look. What we got here is a 1995 Bluebird. This is a 45 passenger Bluebird commercial style bus here, 45 passenger. Alright, let's head inside and give her a look. See the entry grab bar as you come in. Pretty basic bus here. Turn down the stereo here a little bit. Alright, here's the driver's area right here. What we got, 45 passenger Bluebird, has automatic transmission, driver and passenger heat, tilt telescoping wheel, AM FM CD player, PA system. Alright, cool thing about this Bluebird is it has the coach seating in it. Don't see this too often. Coach style seats with armrests, reclining coach style seats with armrests. Upholstery's in fair condition. This is a rear engine bus. You can see the overhead parcel racks. Tour style windows with tint. Sliders up top. You see it has the reading lights. Stop request pull cords there on the windows. Alright. Let's head outside and give her a look out there. Look at the rubber. Passenger front here, fair amount of tread there. Aluminum Alcoa wheels. Pop this open, see what we got here. You got a little storage area here. Fuel tank door there. 100-gallon fuel tank. And passenger side rear duals. Decent tread. Alcoa wheels, battery box there. Rear LED turn signals and brake lights. Pop the hood here. There we go. Check that out. 8.3-liter turbo Cummins diesel. Listen to that. That's a dandy of a motor there. That's always been a good motor for Cummins. It's kind of the big boy version of the 5.9. Lots of torque. Two-tone paint on her. Let's get a look at the rubber on the driver's side. Looks like we got another under-4 storage here on the driver's side. A little bit of storage. And the driver's side front. Good tread there. Alright, it's got a pretty good look to it. Very basic bus. Destination sign up top. LED turn signals in the front. Appreciate your time checking us out. This is a 1995 Bluebird 45 passenger. Check us out online, nwbus.com. Give us a call, 800-231-7099.
Go Hawks.
Hawk, yeah.